What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I went to the Dollar Tree. Everything is $1, and I picked up 3 different earbuds, and I thought, hey, are these any good? There we go. So we got 3 different styles. Each one of them were exactly $1 plus tax, but what can you really expect from a $1 pair of earbuds? Okay, so I've got some black ones, some blue ones, and purple ones. I'm gonna go straight for the black ones. So we got about a 5-foot long cable. It is the flat kind. You get a very, very basic 3.5, but there we go. So we got our black ones. They're very straight. There's no real ergonomic curve. They're very, very cheap. Made out of some really cheap plastic. Again, only $1. They're not labeled, so I have no idea what's left and what's is right. We're just gonna try it out. Now, I'm not gonna compare these to any high-end earbuds in any way. They're not in the same category as pretty much anything I've looked at. By the way, if you guys are looking for some really interesting music, lots of different types from independent artists, a lot of unknown artists, also some known artists like Billie Eilish, definitely check out the channel called Colors. This is one of my favorite songs. Oh, oh. Whoa. Okay. How do I describe this? It sounds like if you, say you take a speaker, say you take a portable speaker and you put it in a box, and then you put that box in another room and close the door. That's what these sound like. They're not clear. They sound like there is a lot of walls between you and the sound. But they're $1, so they do work. They work. They just don't sound good. Just for fun, I'm gonna do a little bass boosted. God. And I almost want to say the right one, or this side, this earbud sounds a little bit louder than the other one. Yeah, they still sound like a speaker in a box closed up in another room. And I'm gonna rank these, but for now, I'm gonna set these over here. We're gonna go straight into the, let's do the purple. About a 5-foot long cable. They don't look special. They don't feel special. I like the design of them. They look kind of clean, but they definitely feel like a toy. This is not the flat cable. This is the very thin wire, so you gotta be real careful with these. And again, they're not labeled, so no left or right. All right. Oh, I forgot to do the shake test on these. Hold on. Yeah, they hold. Okay. Let's try these ones. Yeah, very basic 3.5. All right, we're gonna do straight bass boosted first. They don't sound that great, you know? Oh, these sound a little better. Crank it up. Mainly because I like this song. Oh! You know, it'll get the job done. It just doesn't do that great of a job getting it done. Being at high volumes, it hurts. It does hurt. You want to turn it down a little bit. Okay, so the same situation with these, except, so you take a speaker, you put it in a box, close the box up, and then slide it all the way down like a 50-yard hallway. That's what these sound like. But I will say, clarity-wise, they do sound a little better than the black ones. So black ones are currently in last place. They don't sound that much different though. I almost want to say that the actual design of these is playing a part in the sound difference. I'm pretty sure they're probably using the exact same drivers. All right, let's try the blue one. Now, again, we got about a 5-foot cable. Okay, so these ones are magnetic, but what's up with this hair? See that hair? What's going on with that? Can you guys see that? Let's see. Oh, I can't even get it off. Let's see if I can cut it off. There we go. All right, so there they are. You got blue. These are, wait, oh, they're not. They're not even magnetic. It just goes inside. It just snaps together. So there we go. So they're not even magnetic, just pop. Cheap plastic, different looking design, probably the same drivers. Cable, still the same. Basic, cheap, 3.5. Let's give them a shot. Oh, they sound hollow. They stayed, all right. What can you expect? They're only $1. All right, here we go. boy. All right, let's just do the bass boosted again real quick. All right, okay, I got enough. Whew, that's hard. These are difficult. Okay, well, I'm gonna put these in first, second, and third. These ones do have a little bit more clarity. Remember that speaker we were talking about? You put it in the box, you close it up. That's what these sound like. These sound like you put them in a box, you close it up, you scoot it down a long hallway. These sound like you put it in a box, you put it in another room, and you close the door. If you're at the Dollar Tree and you're curious, is a $1 earbud worth it? No, if you're not, if you just want some earbuds that will send a audio signal from your phone directly into your ears, yes. If you're looking for any kind of clarity, you're not gonna get it from these. Any kind of bass, clarity, mids and highs, it's all terrible. It's really bad, they're really, really muffled. They are what you would expect from $1 earbuds. They're not mind-blowing at all. So, there you go. $1 earbuds. Yeah. If I were to purchase these for somebody, that would be like me sending somebody a message like, make sure I don't catch you around here type of gift. You know what I'm saying? If you guys enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed checking this out, let me know and I'll make another one, but I'll go to, we have a place here in Texas, a place called 5 and Below. I was thinking about checking that out because they actually have like a whole wall of earbuds and headphones and they take their game a little more serious. If you guys like this video, let me know, hit that like button and let me know down below, what do you guys think? Have you guys ever tried these yourself? And if you have, what was your experience? Did it get you out of a pinch? Maybe you absolutely needed some earbuds at that last second and you only had $1 on you. Either way, guys, I'm not gonna leave a link down below because there is no link. If you are interested in these, definitely go stop by your neighborhood Dollar Tree and pick a $1 pack up, or 3 for like $3 and some change. But anyway, guys, I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.